No excuses, just results. Coach Payne is back with a powerful message. It's time to rebuild, rise, and dominate. Whether you're facing obstacles or chasing your dreams, Coach Payne's no-nonsense approach will ignite that fire within you. Are you ready to take control of your future? Introduction to rebuilding. When you're knocked down, when life hits you harder than you ever thought it could, that's when you find out who you really are. Rebuilding isn't just about physical strength, it's about mental fortitude. It's about getting up when it feels impossible, when every part of your body and mind is telling you to stay down. But you have a choice: fight or remain stagnant. Rebuilding is that pivotal moment where you decide, I'm not done yet. Rebuilding is never easy. It's not a smooth path. It's a battle with your own thoughts, your emotions, your past mistakes, and even your own doubts. But guess what? That's what makes it worth it. The struggle is what defines you. The grind is what molds you into someone who's not only been through the fire, but someone who came out stronger, better, and sharper. The first step to rebuilding is accepting that things might have fallen apart for a reason. Sometimes, the things that break us actually set the stage for our greatest comebacks. Embrace the rebuild and look at it as a chance for growth. Don't shy away from the hard work. It's all part of the process. The importance of rising above. Rising is more than just standing back up. It's about using what's left after the fall to elevate yourself. Rising means looking at your situation, acknowledging the pain, the losses, the setbacks, and still pushing forward. It's not about pretending everything is perfect. It's about moving forward regardless of the imperfections. Rising involves looking in the mirror and saying, I still have a shot. I'm still in the game. No matter how heavy the weight on your shoulders feels, no matter how hard the storm rages, you have the strength within to rise. You've got the resilience to keep going when everyone else around you are quitting. There will always be doubters who try to hold you back, but their opinions don't matter. You have a fire, a drive, and strength within that they can't see. Every time you rise, you conquer not just external obstacles, but your fears and doubts. You become unstoppable, dominating in every area of your life. Rising is important, but dominating is the ultimate goal. Rising is a step in the process, but dominating is a lifestyle. It's the mindset you adopt every day, no matter what you've been through. Dominating is about going beyond survival. It's about thriving, about pushing past the limits of what you thought was possible. When you dominate, you don't just play the game, you control it. You take ownership of your path, your actions, your decisions. Dominance doesn't come from external factors, it comes from within. It's the mindset of a person who's been knocked down, rebuilt, and risen to a level where no one can touch them. To dominate means consistently showing up and giving your best. It means refusing to settle for mediocrity. Mediocre people are comfortable with average results, not you. You're out here doing the work. Even when no one's watching, you're doing it for you, for your future, for your legacy. And when you do that, when you give it everything you have, dominating becomes second nature. Here's the thing about domination. It's not about stepping on others to get ahead. It's about stepping into your own greatness and inspiring others to do the same. Dominating means showing others what's possible when you rebuild yourself, rise from the ashes, and make the decision that nothing will stop you. The power of persistence. Persistence is the fuel that powers your journey of rebuilding, rising, and dominating. It's about waking up every day, regardless of how tough things get, and showing up. It's easy to quit when things don't go your way, but the true measure of success is not in how many times you win, it's in how many times you get back up after your fall. Persistence means continuing to move forward, even when you feel exhausted, even when the progress is slow. It means committing to your vision. No matter how many setbacks you face, some days, It might feel like you're taking one step forward and two steps back, but as long as you keep moving, you're getting closer to your goals. Persistence is about consistency. It's not about grand gestures, it's about the small, daily actions that compound over time. It's the little things, the 5 a.m. workouts, the late night grind, the dedication to the process. It's all of those small efforts that add up and create massive results in the end. Embracing failure as fuel for growth. If you want to dominate, you've got to embrace failure. Too many people fear failure. But those who dominate understand that failure is simply a stepping stone on the way to greatness. You can't truly rise and rebuild without first facing some form of failure. It's how you react to that failure that separates the successful from the unsuccessful. Failure isn't the end. It's a lesson. It's an opportunity to learn what didn't work and to come back stronger. When you fail and get back up, you're not the same person you were before. You've learned, you've grown, and you're better prepared for the challenges ahead. Don't be afraid to fail. Fail fast. Fail often. And fail forward. Use it as the fuel to push yourself harder and to strive for better. Your failures will never define you. It's how you respond to them that will shape your future. Never stop rebuilding, rising, and dominating. The journey of rebuilding, rising, and dominating doesn't have a finish line. It's a continuous cycle. Once you rebuild yourself from a setback, you rise, and once you rise, you set your sights on dominating, and when you dominate, you start all over again. Because there's always a new level to reach. The world is watching, and it's time to show them what you're made of. This is your moment. Don't waste it. Rebuild, rise, and dominate. Because nothing will stop you if you refuse to be stopped. Remember, it's all about rebuilding stronger, rising higher, and dominating your goals. If you're ready to stop making excuses and start making moves, Coach Payne's mantra is your new blueprint. Let's crush it together. Like, share, and subscribe for more motivational fire and strategies to help you rise to the top.